Are you turning 65 soon? One small Medicare mistake could cost you over $10,000, and most people don't even realize they're making it. The truth is, Medicare can be confusing, and a simple wrong decision today can lead to huge medical bills later. Mistake number one is choosing the wrong plan without fully understanding what it covers. Many people pick a plan quickly, thinking it will save them money. But later, they discover it doesn't cover important services, and they end up paying thousands out of pocket. Mistake number two is missing your enrollment deadline. This is one of the most expensive mistakes, because if you sign up late, you may have to pay penalties every single month for the rest of your life. Mistake number three is ignoring extra benefits. Some Medicare plans include dental care, vision, and even fitness programs. But many seniors don't take advantage of these benefits simply because they don't know about them. Mistake number four is not comparing plans every year. Your health needs change, and so do Medicare plans. Sticking with the same plan without reviewing other options could cost you more than you think. And mistake number five is trying to figure everything out on your own. Medicare is complicated, and making decisions without expert guidance can lead to costly errors. The good news is that free expert help is available, and it can save you thousands of dollars and a lot of stress. If you want to find the best Medicare plan for your needs, click the link in the description and get a free consultation today before it's too late.